5 health resolutions for the new year. Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am your host, Sahil. Friends, the night of December 31st is like an OS update for all of us. We think that we'll wake up on the morning of January 1st and our old, buggy lifestyle will be instantly updated. But tell me the truth. Why does this New Year patch fail in the very first week of January? Because we try to change the software without considering the hardware. That is why this year we won't just talk in the air. Today, I am going to tell you 5 practical health resolutions that you can actually follow. These resolutions are like an antivirus for your body. So, let's fix the source code of our health. Resolution number 1, avoid garbage in, garbage out. There is a simple rule in coding. If you input the wrong data, the result will be wrong. Our stomach is exactly the same. We are vegetarians, but that doesn't mean we should only eat potatoes and fried Vatapov. Make a resolution this year, a colorful plate. The more natural colors you have on your plate, green, red, yellow, the smoother your operating system will run. The micronutrients present in these vegetables are your body's drivers. Keep them updated, otherwise, the body is definitely going to lag. Resolution number 2. Activate liquid cooling system. Do you let your gaming PC or laptop overheat? No, right? Then why do you let your own processor brain dry out? Often we feel hungry, but actually, our body's RAM has slowed down due to a lack of water. Target: minimum 3 liters of water a day. This simple water acts like a disk cleanup tool for your kidneys. Flush out the toxins and boost performance. Resolution number 3. Motion sensors movement. Nowadays, we have all become creatures who are glued to the chair with Fevikwik. But friends, our body is not designed for sitting. It is designed for movement. You don't need to go to the gym and lift 50 kilograms weights. Just walk for 30 minutes a day. In the language of technology, keep your body's motion sensors active. If a machine isn't used, it rusts, and if a human isn't used, he just buffers. Resolution number 4. Clear mental cache. Mental health. We consume so much data on social media all day that by the time we sleep at night, our brain gets fried. This is called mental spam. This year, give just 10 minutes a day for yourself. Meditate, or just sit quietly. We can call this spiritual Wi-Fi. Only when you disconnect from the world do you connect with yourself. This is the best firewall for your mental health. And the last bonus resolution, sleep. Watching reels late at night is like destroying your own battery. Sleep on time, so the body will reboot. So friends, these were my 5 simple health-inspired resolutions. Follow them and see how your version becomes a super hit in 2026. If you like this video, hit the like button. Tell me in the comments which part you are watching the video from, and subscribe. I am Sahil. See you in the next video. Ram Krishna Hari.